Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Mortal Kombat Legacy Collection game not launching, not loading, crashing, freezing or other issues on PS5. So let's go through the methods. The first method is to restart your PlayStation. It's one of the best way to fix the issue. Just open PS5 screen and click on PlayStation button on controller, then select power button and then select restart PS5. After that, check if the issue is fixed. If not, next is to rebuild database. For that, switch off your PS5, then hold down the power button unless two beep sound occur. Now leave the power button to enter safe mode. Here connect DualSense controller via USB cable and then select rebuild database. After that, check if it helps. Next method is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. For that, go to settings and click on network, then click on settings, then set up network connection. Here click on options under Wi-Fi frequency. You can switch to 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and then check if the problem is resolved. If not, next method is to check for game update. You should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. First, highlight the game and press options button. Now choose check for update option. If any update is available, click on update and then follow the instructions to proceed ahead. Next is to restore licenses. For that, open settings and users and accounts and move down to others on left panel. Now choose restore licenses. After that, select Mortal Kombat Legacy Collection game, then click on restore. Once done, finally confirm it by selecting yes. Next is to delete games save file PS5. For that, open settings on your PS5 menu. Now choose save data PS5. Here select upload or delete from console storage. Now choose Mortal Kombat Legacy Collection game and then check if it resolves the problem. If not, next is to check storage space on console. For that, go to PS5 settings and move down to storage. Here you will see console storage and extended storage. Check each of them by clicking on it and then delete save data, and after that try to launch the game. Next solution is to check PS5 overheating. So make sure your PS5 is not overheating and is well ventilated. If it's overheating, try to cool down for some time before using it. This will help to fix the issue on PS5. Next is to change language on console. For that, open PS5 settings and go to system. Now choose language options in the left sidebar. Select current language, then change the language to English or any other and then check if the issue is resolved. If not, next solution is to sign out and sign into PS5. For that, go to settings, then tap on users and accounts. Next, go down and click on other options. After that, click on sign out option. Once done, again log into the PS5 account and then check for the error if it is resolved or not. If not, next method is to install software updates on PS5. For that, open settings on your PS5. Now choose system. Now go to system software. Then click on system software update and settings. Next, choose update system software if any update is available, and finally select update using internet option. Next is to reinstall Mortal Kombat Legacy Collection. So for that, highlight Mortal Kombat Legacy Collection on your PS5 and press options on your controller. Now choose delete and confirm it. Finally, restart your PS5 and install Mortal Kombat Legacy Collection game again to check for the error. Next method is to contact support. So if nothing works, then you should take help from the PlayStation support. Link already I have given in the description. You just have to go through it and explain whatever the issue you are coming across and wait for some time unless you get any response from the support team. Hopefully they will try to resolve it from their end and you can be into the game once again. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.